Invite Professor Dr. S.K. Sareen to deliver his lecture.
Good evening. Thank you, Dr. Agarwal, Ritu, Senthil, and my other colleagues here. I didn't realize it's such a big campus, and I feel flattered to have been called to this important meeting. I recall my days with Dr. Chadha. He was Chancellor JNU. We were allotted 8 acres in JNU before ILBS was born. So 8 acres in JNU were given to us, and he says जितना आपको चाहिए अब मैं और भी कर दूंगा, तो आप ILBS को JNU में खोलिए. Well, as luck would have it, we got separate land, 4.5 acres to start ILBS. I'm just telling you because I recall those days. And then Dr. Chadha came and said, "Nahi, aap Sara, this new institute, you should try and do this and that." But as a useless clinician, we couldn't do, just doing patient care. But I'm very happy that both Senthil, who has a paper in American Journal of Physiology which attracted him to us, a very basic good work, and Ritu, who did a lot of good work with hepatitis C and made us proud. So we are in a way together still. So 2 of our very good people are with you. And I must compliment you because I have known you for your extremely good work in different universities and your humility. I chose this topic for several reasons, and I want each one of you to be as good, and you're a very good announcer. So I hope you will keep announcing. So I bring greetings from ILBS, and I want to pay my regards to you. So there is a conflict of interest. Where did it go? So I wanted to be a perpetual clinician and a researcher, and therefore my questions and your questions will be same. So let's go through the questions before we give the answers. So questions. I am 35. I was overweight. I got diabetes. Why me? ये सवाल आता है मन में नहीं यार मेरे डायबिटीज हो गई या बैठे बिठाए पता ही नहीं लगा. अच्छा. I am lean. मैं 25 का हूँ, and this is just yesterday, a day before yesterday. I'll tell you the story sometime. This guy, he lives in US. और एकदम उसका फादर, और ये बिल्कुल पतला दुबला, पर उसको हाई बीपी निकला, उसका कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई. The question is why? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, मैं दौड़ता भी. I am 30, I have gallstones, and my mother also has. Now there is a girl which I saw today, वो 7 साल की है, उसके भी गॉल ब्लैडर में स्टोन है, सर्जरी में जा रही है. उस 7 साल की लड़की ने क्या गलती की तो पता ही नहीं दुनिया. My daughter, all these are last few days. My daughter is 18 and she has PCOS. उसके सारे मुंह पे बाल आ गए. Why? अब वो मदर पूछती है कि कैन शी मैरी, उसके बच्चे होंगे नहीं होंगे. I am fat due to thyroid. सब ओवरवेट कहते हैं सर मैं तो क्या करूं, मेरा थायराइड ही नहीं था तो मैं इसलिए मोटा हो गया. Before I forget it, this is your body and this is your thyroid. If you increase it, thyroid will increase little, but if this body is too much, thyroid will be small. I have severe acidity, stress, food and genes. I'll come to the precision medicine. These are my questions also. वो कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर रितु ने इतना काम दे दिया कि सर टेंशन हो गई, मेरे तो एसिडिटी हो गई. ही इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, हार्ड टास्क मास्टर. सर मैं तो बिल्कुल सो ही नहीं पाई. तो is acidity because of stress, food and genes? We'll address this. I am 45, I'm diabetic and have high cholesterol. And doctor says no alcohol. भाई सारे दोस्त पी रहे हैं, दिल्ली जिम खाना जा रहे हैं, मुझे क्यों मना किया? I come to NMB gym. There is a famous gym in our colony. Every day I eat less, still can't lose weight. जान जाए पर वजन न जाए. सर वजन कम ही नहीं होता, बिल्कुल नहीं खाता सर मैं. All these are questions and I'll try and address for you. My mother has breast cancer. I am also heavy. क्या मेरे breast cancer होगा? Are any one of you worried? Can you connect with real life? है ना, घर जाके सबको सिखाना. You are going to be the ambassadors. Each one of you will have to handle 1,000 other people. I have fatty liver, and this is true on Sunday for another boy, my neighbor. I have fatty liver, SGPT is high. He is worried. उसने अपनी फ्लाइट US की कैंसिल कर दी कि सर वो नहीं जाने देना, अगले हफ्ते भेजेंगे, आप पहले देख. I feel tired by 5 PM. सर अब घर जाने दो, सर 5 बज गए, सर अब क्या करें? If you are healthy, if your liver doesn't have fat, you will not feel tired. 35% of the oxygen is picked up by muscles. If the muscle has fat, before I forget, fat in the liver, fat in the muscle run together. I'll come back if I remember. सर वो बहुत खराटे लेती है, मैं उस कमरे में नहीं सो सकता. My wife snores a lot. अब वो और रीज़न से भी नहीं सो सकते, that's different. But I snore, I decrease libido, family is unhappy. So please remind me and ask me this question, why is it so important? Today we developed a very good app and a new machine algorithm by a guy from Australia. If I remember, I'll tell you. Very important question. किसी के घर में कोई कैंसर हो तो याद रखिए, my mother has breast cancer, my father is different person, has prostate cancer, liver disease, dementia, Alzheimer, stroke. Question is मुझे भी होगा क्या? Parents को है तो will I be suffering? So the answers probably lie in your metabolic factory. The most important, largest factory is liver. And I know this is a science institute, but I'm told law के भी student हैं. Law वाले हैं कोई यहाँ? कोई नहीं law का. Mathematics, वो तो सर है. Mathematics, law. But exposed. LLB, LLM. So which side of the body is liver? Where is the liver? इसीलिए मैंने सवाल पूछा था. आज एक लड़की थी हमारे यहाँ, just to make it light, उसको acute liver failure, she was to go for liver transplant, somehow she survived. तो आज वो घर जा रही थी, उसको डिस्चार्ज कर रहे थे. She must be 21. तो मैंने इससे पूछा, I think her name was Guri or someone like that, कि अच्छा तू मुझे 30 की टेबल सुना दे. She looked at me कि क्या बेवकूफ़ है, मैं इतनी पढ़ी लिखी हूँ 30 की टेबल पूछ रहे, फटाफट सुना दी. मैंने कहा that means your mind has booted again, the liver failure has gone. So these are simple ways. Now where is the liver? Sir, if the right person in the right place does all the right things, so it digests, it gives you immunity, it gives you good color. So where the best day of my life, if your liver is good, detoxifies. But now 2 things you remember, and please tell everybody, including your parents. The sugar control and cholesterol are both by liver. And also, it is your chartered accountant, you might have heard me saying this, because if you have extra calories, they will all get deposited in the liver as fat. How many of you would like to give your DNA so that it lives forever? Raise hands. कि मेरा DNA, मैं मर जाऊं पर मेरा DNA चलता रहे. कितने लोग चाहते हैं? बस 5 लोग? नहीं, अब 10 हो गए. All right. So give your liver. The person who will get the liver, the DNA will live forever. Uske bacche, your DNA can never die. So make sure organ donation is important. And if I donate 60% of my liver, mathematics, 4 हफ्ते में नया liver बन जाएगा. It's like cutting hair. बाल कटाओ फिर नाई के जाना पड़ता है. So now what does liver do? Now these are important things and you should remember them. Why? 1 out of 2 sitting here will have fatty liver. This is Delhi study we published last year. 56% of Delhiites have fatty liver. Mohalla clinic, general population. और 11%. Now fatty liver, this I hope, yeah. So this is normal healthy liver and this is fat in the liver. Fat का color आपको पता है. Now there are 3 things. First, 10% or more is the fat. Normal is 5% and less. Means अगर 1500 ग्राम का liver है तो 75 ग्राम fat हो सकती है. पर 150 ग्राम, 200 ग्राम अगर fat liver cells में है, it is fatty liver. And 3 reasons: obesity, calories and genes. I know all of you are so lean and thin. यहाँ तो सारे लोग दौड़ने वाले लगते हैं. All the students look lean and thin. Now the surplus fat does 2 things. Inflames the liver. Let's look at it. Now this is a liver biopsy and Senthil will remember well. The liver biopsy, all these...
Screen is sensitive.
Screen is sensitive. Such a advanced technology. So all these are healthy liver cells in a cord, and this is a single cell which is filled with fat. So this is a fatty liver which cells are having the fat. Now if there is fat in the liver like here, the immune cells, the WBCs, will not like it. They will try and kill it, causing hepatitis. Fat-induced hepatitis where SGPT, the liver enzyme, goes up. Then there is healing by scarring, fibrosis, stage 1 to 4, cirrhosis, liver cancer. Why I am showing you this? 35% of people who have cirrhosis have diabetes. Remember it. And 39% of all liver cancers are due to diabetes. सारे टाइम लोग डायबिटीज़ की बात करते हैं जी, हिंदुस्तान में इतनी डायबिटीज़. But I'll tell you how to control it. Because if you have fat in the liver, reverse it. You will not get diabetes generally. So liver fat precedes by 15 years diabetes and heart disease. But in case you already have diabetes, sir, अपना तो time निकल गया. You can reverse it by getting liver fat out. So the first question, and why I am addressing students like this, who will develop diabetes? I don't know. आज फैटी लिवर है, किसी को तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, 20 साल निकल गए, 30 निकल गए, किसी को 5 साल में हो गए. And the answers came by Framingham study, one of the most famous multi-generational study. जिनके बच्चे हुए 10 साल से छोटा बच्चा अगर उसका SGPT हाई है, तो by the time the child is 20, he will develop, has 7 times higher risk of diabetes. But we don't have answers for India. So this question is posed to biotechnology science students, who will develop and when. Now fat in the liver inflames other organs. So this fat in this cell doesn't allow insulin to enter, and pancreas makes more and more insulin. Finally, pancreas exhausts in a way, very crudely, and you get diabetes. So diabetes in a way is an adult onset liver disease. This fat also goes into the blood and the fat from the liver. So if you get your blood test done, कि सर मेरा तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई है, किसी का है हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल? उठा सकते हैं, कोई इनकम टैक्स वाला नहीं है, कोई इंश्योरेंस वाला नहीं है, ये तो इतने पतले दुबले कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई है. So we'll answer this question for you. Yes. मेरा क्यों कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई है? It means my liver has fat, so it is high cholesterol. This cholesterol will deposit onto the arteries, so you get blood pressure, heart disease, kidney, liver, and almost all the cancers. So cancer is a state of chronic inflammation, and that is induced by fat. And you have gallstones. So mother के gallstone है, father के, बच्चे के, भाई बहन के. So gallstone is a liver disease, extra thick lithogenic bile deposits in the gallbladder. So fatty liver, I am trying to convince you to address this problem, that it is a top public health problem, and therefore I am trying to go and take you through precision medicine. Is this a good topic or no? Yes, you are all right? Yes. You will all teach your colleagues, friends and parents and children. So let me summarize. This is the UK Biobank data, the best resource. 3 lakh people were followed for 10 years. 58 साल की mean age थी, 58% females. Can you see it at the back also? Otherwise I'll read it for you. Those people who had fat in the liver and raised SGPT or ALT, remember liver injury, those people diabetes was 4 times higher. 10 साल में जिनके लिवर में फैट थी और SGPT हाई था, डायबिटीज was 4 times. उनके लिपिड्स हाई थे 2.5 times, ब्लड प्रेशर 2.8 times, हार्ट डिजीज 2 times, stroke 1.4, dementia, Alzheimer's and cancer. This data is a follow-up of people in UK who voluntarily joined the UK Biobank, and I'm sure you are aware. Now you see, interestingly, if you have fat in the liver, you have fat in the heart, you have fat in the brain, and you have fat in the arteries. So a simple way, you can't assess the brain fat easily, but you can assess liver fat easily. So the second question to all the young fellows, smart students, who will develop blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and when? Is this a good question? This is my question also. And that's where precision medicine will come. For each family, we have to work. अभी चोरी हो गई वहां पे. चोरी पहले भी हुई थी. But this Fernando's painting was not stolen. She is still Mona Lisa. Fernando painted it in 78. Every fat person is not bad. Don't raise your finger for a fat person. And every lean is not good. Do you agree? So before I forget, the obesity is divided into 2. Metabolically healthy obesity, metabolically unhealthy obesity. This is a Science 2018. And you have metabolically healthy lean and metabolically unhealthy lean. And I'll show you unhealthy lean. So before I go, do I have fatty liver? सब लोग जानना चाहते हो? यहाँ से बिना बाहर जाए, बिना डॉक्टर के, do you want to know you have a fatty liver or not? Raise hands. Oh, everyone wants to know. All right. So if you have diabetes, you have fatty liver. 90% correct. But if you are having a BMI about 23, not 25, you probably have fatty liver. But if you are very lean, BMI is less than 23, but your waist is, सबको waist पता होगी अपना, 32 इंच से ज़्यादा for female, male की 36 इंच, 80 centimeters or 90 centimeters. If it is more, you have fatty liver. Blood pressure is high, triglyceride is high, HDL is low, A1C, HbA1c is in the pre-diabetic range. or you have a family history. I'll come to it again, but keep this slide with you. This will change the way your children and grandchildren will grow. This is extremely important. It's not available and published. Designed, managed by experience. So please remember this. Now this is for you, sir. Now there are two individuals, both like you, are very lean and thin. This and this both have a BMI of 22, lean and thin. The red is your good muscle here. The green is the subcutaneous fat, and the blue is the fat inside, the visceral fat. Now both have a BMI of 22. The skeletal muscle area in a healthy person and the fatty liver is same, but the subcutaneous adipose tissue, the green is more and the blue is many times, 5 times more. That's a Canadian and that's a South Indian. Both look same. So how do you detect? So this is the question, which lean person is? सर वो 25 साल का था, बिल्कुल पतला दुबला, साइकिल चलाता था, दौड़ता था, एक दिन गुड़क गया। भाई कैसे गुड़क गया? सर वो जिम में बहुत कसरत कर रहा था, इसलिए उसका, वो सारे जिम वाले दिखाएंगे जिम में कसरत करने से मर गया। But they do not know, and I'll try and share with you this very important slide. Have you seen the body composition analysis? This is bioimpedance. Now this young man, these are real scenarios, उसका BMI सिर्फ 26 है, 23 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, BMI 26 है. Very carefully see it. Now the percentage body fat should be in a person 20%. मतलब आप 100 किलो के हो तो 20 किलो फैट हो सकती है आदमी के लिए, फीमेल के लिए 28, पर इसकी परसेंटेज बॉडी फैट 40 है. उसे पता ही नहीं, बिल्कुल BMI अच्छी, बट टोटल फैट इज 40%. नाउ सी द मसल, दिस इज द नॉर्मल फॉर मसल. इसके लेफ्ट लेग में, राइट लेग में, लेफ्ट लेग, राइट लेग, ट्रंक, आर्म, कई मसल ही नहीं है, राइट आर्म में थोड़ी सी. ही नीड 7 kilograms ऑफ मसल एंड ही हैज टू लूज 18 kilograms ऑफ फैट. पर देखने में बंदा ठीक है. You understand this? So your composition, you have never bothered. यार देखने में पतला दुबला है, BMI 22 है, पर मेरे 13 किलो एक्स्ट्रा फैट है और मसल्स है ही नहीं. So from today learn, and I'll be very happy to do the screening for the whole university students, faculty, free of charge, no cost. Is that a good idea? Dean sir? So you are all invited. We can fix until you fix a date, and we'll fix up 50 to 100 in a go. And all of you, are you all happy about it?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So the question is, which lean person is unhealthy? And we can't have 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs machine. We have to find an AI tool or some simple tool, and I'm posing it to you. Cheaper solutions to determine visceral fat. There are 3 types of fat: the white, the brown, and the visceral fat. We'll go further. Now this is the way we diagnose fatty liver disease. You will all be doctors today onwards. पेशेंट आया आपके पास, आपने क्या सवाल, भाई तुम्हारे डायबिटीज़ है, टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़, इसको तो लिवर डिजीज़ हो सकती है, फैटी लिवर. भाई तुम्हारे को बीपी है, शुगर है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, या ऑल दोज थिंग्स विच आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, आप अलग हो जाओ. फिर अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया था, फैट आया उसमें. फिर आपने क्या किया, पूछा भाई शाम को लेते हो जिम खाना. यहाँ तो कोई नहीं पीता ना, आई एम श्योर, नोबडी इन द कैंपस. आई नो, इसीलिए जिम खाना का बता रहा हूँ. ऐसे यूज Scientifically the best. Okay. So suppose somebody has fat, alcohol causes fat, and you already have fat, तो करेला और नीम चढ़ा, तो that is better. Now you do some tests, what we call FIB4. Now FIB4 is a very simple blood test. Age, AST मतलब ब्लड टेस्ट है, एक SGPT था, एक SGOT और प्लेटलेट और SGPT, ये 4 टेस्ट आपने किए लिवर के और एज किया. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड. यू ऑल विल बी डॉक्टर्स एंड यू ऑल कैन प्रैक्टिस स्क्रीनिंग फॉर फैटी लिवर. सो व्हाट यू डू, दीज आर द स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3. आपने FIB4 किया. FIB4 इज लेस देन 1.3, भाई 10 साल में आना. FIB4 इज अबव 2.7, ILBS चले जाओ. 1.3 से 2.6 मैं इलाज करूंगा. यू कैन डायग्नोज, यू कैन ट्रीट. व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल से अब आप एक लिवर स्टिफनेस करा लो. लिवर स्टिफनेस अगर आपकी 8 से कम है, सॉफ्ट बेबी लिवर है, यू आर ओके. बट इफ योर लिवर स्टिफनेस इज अबाउट 12, you probably have cirrhosis. And if you are in between, you may still advise, and I'll tell you how to handle it. So this is 2025 diabetes obesity guidelines, and then we modified them. So if you have this in your mind, you can treat yourself, your family, your mohalla, your whole colony. This is the FibroScan. It's an ultrasound machine. It sends low frequency ultrasound for about 10 centimeters, 4 to 10 centimeters, and the sound is impeded. And it returns slowly or it returns fast. So this is the way the ultrasound probe is placed. It goes inside and it is like liver biopsy for you. We do about 27,000 scans in ILBS. Now this is to show you, normally sound will take 60 milliseconds to come. The softer, the longer. Sound का दे है ना, अगर इस पे sound जाएगी तो जल्दी वापस आ जाएगी. Am I right? गलती तो नहीं. Now this guy has a hard liver. The sound comes in 40 milliseconds. This is the stage 2 fibrosis of liver. If liver is stage 2 fibrosis, your kidney is stage 2, all organs are fibrosed. So a simple method of understanding is liver stiffness, it takes a minute. Now this is controlled attenuation parameter. Sound गई और इतनी फैट है आपकी कि साउंड के आने में डिले होगी. So it should be less than 220, 248 तक मान लिया, but anything above 250 you have fat, and 290 and above 60% of the liver is fat. तो आपने बायोप्सी नहीं की, but you say यार तेरे लिवर में तो 60 पैसा फैट है. बॉडी फैट हमने देख ली, विसरल फैट हमने देख ली, and now liver fat we have understood. Is this okay for you? So the question is, can we make our own machine? This machine costs 1 crore plus. We need to have some bioengineering, biotechnology. Now, why should you worry? इतनी सारी बातें. Now you are all qualified, certified experts. Now here is a group, very carefully, this is a Lancet paper this year. So you have 10 people with diabetes. 8 out of these 10 will have fatty liver disease. That's why I told you every diabetic would have fat in the liver. So here 8 out of 10 will have fatty liver, and 2 out of them may have cirrhosis of liver. So India has 10 crore diabetics and 2 crore diabetes with cirrhosis. And of them, 39% may develop or have cancers of the liver. So for you, my friends, students and colleagues, this message far and wide, diabetes is a liver disease you can protect, but those who have got diabetes, protect your liver and test. Just don't do sugar alone. Now who will develop NCDs? Now here comes the question of precision medicine. Are you still okay with me? मैंने थक गए होंगे, शाम हो गई है. We have time? No, I am okay. I am quite okay. Everyone is okay? Yes, sir. Few minutes, but this is where the science part is. So how do you screen पूरे country के 30 करोड़ लोगों को फैटी लिवर, कैसे 30 करोड़ को स्क्रीन करेंगे? I'll show you that. I hope I have that slide. So now I'll just take you to genetics, gender and environment. This is here Senthil will enjoy. So here you have 5 genes. One is PNPLA3. Have you heard of this gene? No? How is it possible? PNPLA is a gene which produces lipid hydrolases. मतलब आपका जो फैट है ट्राइग्लिसराइड को ब्रेक डाउन करके लो डेंसिटी VLDL बनाता है और सिक्रीट करता है. अगर इस जीन में म्यूटेशन है तो देन द लिवर विल कीप द फैट and will not be able to release and you will have toxicity. TM6 is another VLDL secretor. GCKR, glucose kinase, again lipogenesis. So these are MBOT and other. All these are genes which increase the liver cancer risk. HCC is hepatocellular cancer, 5 times, 2 times this. And HSD is a protective gene. So these 5 genes is causing polygenic risk score. Just to make you understand, because this is a scientific forum. So if you have PNPLA3, your risk of liver disease is 3 times. TM6 2 times, GCKR 1 time, and HSD will protect you. Now based on this, large population studies are done in the world. So this is the way the bell curve is. If you are having the high risk which is above 5, you will be able to immediately out. भाई इसको ध्यान रखना, ये पैदा ही गड़बड़ हुआ है, कुछ जीन्स ही ऐसे मिले इसका, और बाकी जीन्स अच्छे, स्कोर 5 से कम है तो बच गए. So why I am telling you, and I purposely put this slide, the Human Genome Project. How many of you are aware of the Human Genome Project? All. Which year it started? Yes. 2003. Absolutely correct. So the paper came in Science in which month? April. And after that, 2003 June, they started computational biology in US. And subsequently the Human Genome Part 1 was started. Massive screening. Part 2 of the Human Genome has started last year. I am sure you are aware. 80 million people in the world will be screened. 80 million. Now the idea is the world has to be screened by genes, and what will happen if you have those genes. So I am showing you this because this is what the US has done. So what we did at ILBS, we said let's do our group of people. So we did 1800 people, 1300 males, 400 females, and we did 60 gene. Now we do whole exome regularly, but this was 60 gene, and I'll show you this. So what we found, different types of gene. We found PNPLA, we found TM6, and let me show you this profile. So we found new genes like UCP2, SOD, and we found the unusual, this is the isoleucine to methionine is the 59 times high. If you are born with this gene, remember, if your parents have diabetes or they have liver or metabolic, please get PNPLA3 done. If you are born with this, you have 54 times higher risk of having diseases. This is Indian data under review. And we have many other genes, SOD and UCP2 and ApoB, which I don't think is shown up in this. So Indians have a different profile. Now take this picture. This is JCI 2025. So you have 7 types of human beings sitting here. 7 तरह के लोग बैठे. First is the low lipoprotein output. मैं ट्राइग्लिसराइड ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता, तो मेरा ब्लड का ट्राइग्लिसराइड कम है, लिवर का ज़्यादा है. Second group of people is those who have high normal lipoprotein output. अब लोग कहते हैं कि सर फैटी लिवर है, एक को तो बीपी हो गया, दूसरे को नहीं हुआ, बड़े खुश हैं. People were wondering, despite high cholesterol, despite high lipids, this guy doesn't have. So this is the second type of human being where fat is secreted. Here fat is retained. So human beings will be divided whether you will get with these genes liver disease or heart disease or what. And similarly, I won't go, there are 7 types, and I'm sure many of you would like how to make your subtype and phenotype. Now I'll come to this. This is an important slide. भाई मैं पैदा हुआ, मेरा रिस्क, जेनेटिक रिस्क बहुत हाई था, पर मैंने खूब एक्सरसाइज की, एनवायरमेंटल रिस्क कम कर दिया. दिस अगेन इज ए पेपर इन JCI. मैं पैदा हुआ, मेरा लो रिस्क था, एनवायरमेंटल रिस्क हाई था, 50% चांस हो गया. So the interaction between environment and the genes has been studied in details. Effect of diet. I'll skip it over. ILBS initiative, we developed this fatty liver screening program, and also I'll skip this. Now, this is something you might enjoy. So precision medicine and personalized. Today I give medicine, 1 out of 5 patients gets better. But precision medicine, 40%, and personalized, which you have to develop, 10 out of 10. दवा लिखी तो ठीक होएगा ही. We are going towards that. So now first, lighter vein, treatment of fatty liver. You all want to know how to treat? Sure. So first is, think this room has a fire alarm. जो ही जरा सी फायर हुई, अलार्म बजेगा. So today onwards, think that if you have fat in the liver, your friend or neighbor, it's a fire alarm. Don't ignore. Consider we have to make a change, and the approach has to change. Now this is of interest to some people, but not of interest to others. Can you read it? You become what you eat. This is updated till last Sunday. Earlier you might have seen some of this. क्या खाना है क्या नहीं. नट्स, हमारे यहाँ पुराने ज़माने में अलसी के बीज होते थे, और यार जानवर को डाल दो. अलसी के बीज तो आदमियों के लिए नहीं है. Today it has almost 10 times higher antioxidants than your almonds or walnuts. So the flax seed, the alsi ka beej is very good. Millets has a low glycemic index. एक बार खाएंगे अगर, ज्वार की रोटी दिन भर पेट भरा रहे. Vegetable, fruits with low sugar, vinegar. Now vinegar was a paper in Science, 2017 or so. And apple cider is a paper in Science. Sprouts, which give you butyric acid. Phytophenols, these are phenols which make your bacteria healthy. Before I go further, I'll jump to white butter. Should you eat white butter? Why? It prevents breast cancer, keeps your hair black, and it has something called butyrate, same as uncooked food. So white butter is a good thing for your colon, and it also is good for your gut bacteria. Of course, walnut, coffee, apple. I was told 2 apples a day, you remember? But why should apple be eaten? Because apple makes your bacteria resistant. It makes your bacteria, pectin and many other things, and this is the main thing, chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid is also in coffee. So the benefits of caffeine plus chlorogenic acid. So I kept this for you. Tomato, it has capacity, the lycopene and oleoresin both have the capacity to decrease LDL. So this is just to keep you around. Now this is a slide which you will not like. Yeah, this is just to a good healthy dinner or lunch. Now here you see carefully, the red is those which are bad bacteria. So meat, and here is potato. देखो अपने आप में दोनों में लाल लाल बराबर है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं पोटैटो मत खाओ, but just to make you aware that the bacteria and the changes in the microbes could be same as TMAs, you know TMA, they all will increase. Okay, now this is age related. Precision medicine means you should know यार ये 40 का है 20 का है. Now if you are in this age, you will see which bacteria you will have. Suppose you have extra visceral fat, I showed you, you will have Clostridium, all those bad bacteria. So the precision medicine which will define will depend upon your age, your body composition. This is the way we manage fatty liver disease. I will not go into details. Just to tell you, if a person is lean, or a person is overweight, or person has diabetes, weight loss remains the primary, 3 to 5%, 7 to 10% or more. And you have to change your bacteria. Now this is for the young people. पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसको, मैं बोलूँगा ही नहीं. If you are born in a family, मतलब विरासत में मिला, hypertension, diabetes, obesity, high lipids, fatty liver, cancer or stroke. If any of your parents, grandparents have it, you are a manufacturing defect. Now, if you are a manufacturing defect, don't manufacture defective pieces. Do you agree? मारुति में जरा सा हैंडल टेढ़ा हो जाए, बंद कर देंगे, प्रोडक्शन लाइन स्टॉप. हम लोग प्रोडक्शन लाइन चलती रहने देते. So how can you continue your production line, especially young girls? I'm not saying don't marry, but do marry, but don't have children. But if you have to have children, then first be healthy and keep your children underweight. Height minus 110 for a female and height minus 105 for a male. For 10 years, if you are maintained in that, then only have children. Say for example, you're 20, marry, but remember 20 साल से 30 साल तक ऐसे रहेंगे, तभी बच्चे, नहीं तो डॉक्टर सरीन कुछ ना कुछ बोल देंगे. Why? Now this is the science. This is just I think 2 months ago in JAMA. There is a 3-fold increase in fatty liver in pregnant women. Pregnant women में fatty liver before birth is 3-fold in last 10 years. If one parent is obese, one parent, the child will be obese 1 in 2. Both parents are obese, 80% children will be obese. What right have you got to produce obese children? A 10-year obese child's heart is like a 40-year-old. उस हार्ट ने इतनी बड़ी बॉडी के लिए इतना काम कर लिया कि जैसे 40 साल का आदमी हो गया. So you have to understand that the child, the obese child, his heart is 40-year-old. और वो तो 10 साल का है, कितने दिन चलेगा? I'm not promoting it for any reason, please, I exclude. But I wanted, the book has a major message which I wrote despite all my limited knowledge. Health is not given, it has to be earned. There are longevity tips, but most important tip is don't outsource your health to doctors. 40 साल तक डॉक्टर के जाना ही नहीं, बच्चे को सिर्फ वैक्सीन लगवानी. Sorry. Now, why to decrease fatty liver and the algorithms for this? It will reduce the incidence of diabetes and NCD. But this is the most important slide which has changed the government of India and all of us. 3 million Koreans were followed from 2009 to 2013, 5 साल तक। जिन लोगों को नया फैटी लिवर हुआ उनमें डायबिटीज डबल हो गई, हार्ट अटैक बढ़ गया, स्ट्रोक और डेथ। बट मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज जिन लोगों को फैटी लिवर था उन लोगों का फैटी लिवर कम हुआ, डेथ रिड्यूस बाय 17%। You don't want to die early. Anyone who wants to die early, raise hands. Nobody. You want to live 100 years. The average age is 130 years now. By our misactivity, misconduct, we reduce our age. But the human body, the genome, the telomere length, they all are made to live 130 years. But आपने खूब drinks लिया, खूब sitting posture में रहे, you will decrease it every year. So fatty liver regression will reduce the death by 17%. The government of India included this in the program. So today I would like to say your best teacher is your last mistake. Last mistake was done 1 second before. अब से कोई mistake नहीं होगी. You are right? Raise hands if you all agree on that. No more mistakes. So precision medicine and personalized medicine is what you should do, and you have to engineer healthcare. Don't have to go to doctors. Remember, this body is not meant, and that is the future of medicine. So one more time, my tribute to the Chancellor, his vision. I would like to say, we were doing simple conventional tools for fatty liver. We need precision tools, high risk populations, risk scores, diabetes must be screened, and stratify people. You can stratify before you go. यार मैं किस कैटेगरी में हूँ, रेड लाइन में हूँ, रेड लेन में हूँ या ग्रीन लेन में हूँ. And physicians, scientists and engineers, we need hybrids. I have 2 students who we took from IIT Delhi. They go for clinical rounds with me. उनको ये नहीं पता, बॉडी का कोई फंक्शन नहीं पता, पर 4 दिन हुए 2 जनों को, दोनों राउंड्स पे जाते हैं पेशेंट्स के, उनको लैंग्वेज थोड़ी थोड़ी समझने आई, लिवर फेलियर क्या होता है, लिवर क्या करता है, इन्फेक्शंस क्या होते हैं. एंड नाउ दे आर ट्राइंग टू डेवलप टूल्स. सो माय मैसेज इज टू क्रिएट हाइब्रिड्स. सो नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस, मे बी 10. आई वांट 10 स्टूडेंट्स हु वुड लाइक टू वर्क विथ अस. प्लीज रेज हैंड्स. 10 बंदे चाहिए. अरे ये तो काफ़ी सारे हो गए. I am very grateful to you. I have posed questions which are my questions. I have posed these so that you can solve them much better. If you can join us in the campaign, we will develop hybrids. I would like the Chancellor and the Dean and others that we work together. We have collaborations with you at every level, and these collaborations and these young people, and as you said, we can develop some programs. Thank you all for your kind attention.
We would now request Honorable President Sir to say a few kind words.
Dear Dr. Sareen and my colleagues in the university, I think probably one of the singular activity of the conference will be this lecture, and we thank Dr. Shiv Sareen. I remember good old days when he was in GB Pant Hospital and I was in IP University, and I was assigned by the government the responsibility of making act for Triple IT Delhi and ILBS Delhi, the generic act. And at that time we conceived salaries in Triple IT Delhi will be more than IIT Delhi, and salaries in ILBS will be more than AIIMS. Now that was the concept of these 2 institutions, which I am very happy have proved dividends to the town of Delhi. Both these institutions have done so well, and in particular Dr. Shiv Sareen, who almost single-handedly steered ILBS to these levels, which is an internationally reputed institution, and He is an international legend in the subject. Thank you, Professor Serene, very much for taking the time to come here. And I have great pleasure to welcome you to the International University. You have visited many international universities outside India, but this is the only international university in India. And for an international legend like you, it was necessary for us to have you here. Thank you very much. And I'm sure this will not be the last visit for Professor Serene. I know he is extremely busy, but then I also know a management quote, only the busiest people have time to do more. And that's the best quote I have read in management. And I believe it, I live it, and I mean it. And I am sure he will find time for SAU. We have just mentioned about some collaboration kind of activities which we could do for the reason of because SCU is a university which is not discipline specific. We can do anything by and large which serves the society, and all the more so which serves the SAARC region. And Professor Serene has done all the studies. I think most of the problems in SAARC region are similar in whatever you have said. So whatever we will do from the premises of this university with your studies will by and large benefit all the SAARC countries without much additional data or additional effort. That's what I believe in. And all those countries are poorer than us, are more underdeveloped than us. So I take it as a philanthropic activity also, that if based on Indian data, we can develop something which we can pass on to others also with your God offices. And this university, I can only assure you, will do whatever best we can. Our biotechnology department is one of the strongest departments here. You know two people who have worked with you, and these are the two professors here. We have had now third professor from IARI. He is Professor Dinesh, and other faculty, very good faculty. And if you suggest, we'll recruit more faculty, but something must go to the society at large. Finally, friends, I think I have been telling lot many times that we should be question oriented. Our problem of education system is that teachers have a right to ask questions, students only have to answer. I think so. I welcome the approach of Professor Shiv Serene that start with questions and search the answers. And one of these psychological studies which I had earlier mentioned, they say a child of three on the average asks about 73 questions per day. Those questions may be nonsensical. Why don't you allow me to go near the fire? Why don't you allow me to touch the knife? But imagine 73 questions per day. This is a published paper. And I wonder, after 57 years of teaching, do we allow 73 questions in the whole life of a student? Probably not. So your approach of starting with 15 questions is what I would like all the teachers to follow for the general better transmission of subjects knowledge. And that's a live example which Professor Serene has shown. I have been saying that, but as they say, seeing is believing. He has demonstrated it, and I'm very grateful to him for having made it. I know every minute is an important minute for him, and for he agreed to Ritu's and Shanti's request to be here. It's a personal obligation to this university for your time, and thank you very much. And I am sure all of you not only enjoyed the talk, have learned the talk, and he has agreed to share this information with you, which you can use as a layman also, and that's something great. Thank you, Professor Serene, for being here, and we hope we'll continue to have interaction with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your thoughtful words. I would like to thank Professor Serene for that enlightening lecture. Now we would like to invite our esteemed President, sir, to felicitate Professor Serene with the memento.